I've been needing to upgrade some of my gardening tools, and for the longest time I've been using a blower that required a power cord. But fortunately enough, after kind of doing my research, I went along and got the RYOBI blower here. This takes the 18 volt. It's the One Plus model blower, but this takes the 18 volt 4 amp battery. I believe you can use a smaller one or even bigger ones that they do make. It just means that they're going to last longer. But this thing is super powerful, super light, and it allows me to go everywhere without having to deal with power cords like I used to. And again, what's great about RYOBI's products is that with their One Plus tools, these batteries will work with a number of other RYOBI products that I do have, such as my, I have a drill, sander, orbital buffer, and it allows me to have a few batteries that can work across different tools that I use very regularly. So if you're looking for a blower and you're on the fence about a RYOBI product, definitely recommend checking this out. I love it. It makes my job a lot easier when I'm taking care of my lawn or clearing out my garage.